Hello everybody, this is Ayla and Ayla is riding Sedona, and today we are going to talk about getting your horse to listen to the inside rein and working your horse in a way that utilizes all of your seat and gets the horse to make a better turn throughout their body. We are riding bitless with a side pull, but today we are going to be riding through the seat at a circle, which means that when you're riding a circle, you're actually going to put contact on this inside rein enough where you see the corner of the horse's eye and the corner of the horse's nose. Now, in order to do that, when you hold your hand needs to stay in one place. So don't twist it like that. I'd like you to try to keep your hand either A, as close to the blanket as possible, or if you need to, hold it on your leg, okay? Okay, so our leg positions are going to be, you're actually going to push with that inside leg. So you're going to use this entire inside leg and button number one, and you're going to wrap the horse's nose around that. So your inside hip is actually going to move forward a little bit, but you are going to maintain contact. So that's going to start you using your seat. Now let's talk about the outside leg. So the outside leg is going to come back here to button number 3, which is not quite where your back cinch would be. So you're actually going to be pressing with the inside of your calf there. You want to keep your weight down into your heel, and this is where that action is going to come from. But mostly you're going to be pulling, using more pressure with the inside. This will make more sense once we get into the trot. Okay. Number one thing that we're going to do is we're going to utilize our cones. And basically, utilizing those cones in a small circle, you sit up and you make contact with that inside rein. But you actually want to wrap the horse around your inside leg. So it's button number 1 on the inside, button number 3 on the outside. See here, going to button number 3, which is behind the girth, number 1 in front of the girth. And she's going to wrap. Now point her nose in, tighten up on that rein if you need that. See how her nose is pointed out? You need to make the switch through a straight line. So once you get ready, straight line and make a switch. Very good. So don't make it so quick that you're not using your legs. You're actually going to move your hips a whole lot more through this exercise. Now, once you've got good at doing it at a walk, now we're going to move up to the trot. All right, so we're using our cones as a way to make a circle. So now she's going to continue on this circle. I need you to make better contact with that inside rein. Remember, put that inside rein down on your knee, keep it low, and wrap around the inside leg until you get her nose pointed in. Use that inside leg to push and make your circle. So what this is doing is this is teaching you, put your hand down on your knee, turn her nose in. I want her nose in. More contact with the rein. Contact with the rein. Sit up. Turn her nose. Turn her nose. There you go. Come on. Reach up. Pull her nose up a little bit. Get your outside rein a little bit better and get her on that circle. Inside leg. Inside leg. Inside leg. This exercise really makes you get strong with the inside leg because you're pushing her out of the circle. Tip her nose in. Tip her nose in. Tighter on that inside rein. Come on, reach up, grab that inside rein, pull her head in. Now, use that leg. I don't see that inside leg actually touching. You're using too much outside leg. Leave your outside leg alone. Use your inside. Turn her, wrap her around your knee. See how that nose is pointed? Point the nose to the inside. Come on. Point the nose to the inside. Look at me. Point her nose towards me. Reach up, grab that inside leg. Now push with the inside leg. Push with the inside leg. There you go. Good. Good, good, good. Tip her nose. Tip her nose. Get contact with that nose. Now use that outside, inside leg. Push. Push. Good. Steady with your hands. That outside hand is elevating. Keep it low. There you go. Good. You're getting better at it. Inside leg, inside leg. All right. Now sit back and say whoa and stop. Good. Now back her straight. Use your seat. Don't pull. Use your seat more than anything. So you're going to squeeze your glutes and release. Squeeze your glutes and release. And you're just going to feather your legs. Good. Good. Until you get her nose to come in. Now pull her nose in. So I need you to put your hands contact. There you go. Good. Okay, whoa.
Thank you so much for joining us in today's video. And if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And to see more, check out our playlist.